Wow. Snowmobiler downtown Buffalo. Thank you again, everyone that's watching. Those cars just buried. Cross-country skiing in downtown Buffalo, New York. Just south of the University of Buffalo, Bailey Street, Bailey Avenue. Look at everybody just walking. Nowhere else to go. The sidewalks are buried. There's mountains of snow everywhere. Yeah. Look at the stranded cars, military vehicle, large evergreen came down. Middle of the road. Ripped up part of their deck.
Roads. Yeah, they're impassable. That's why they're trying to get the fire trucks down them.
Yeah.
The roads are completely 100% impassable.
That's definitely.
Looters right here. Family Dollar. You saw on the some other footage last night that people captured. You see they entered right there. Yeah, people entered in right here. You can see.
He's a reporter right here. I think I don't get a picture. Reporter. He's a reporter. I think he's a journalist. Right here.
Oh, here we go.
Want to take a picture?
Where?
With the journalist?
You recording?
I think so. You right there, you don't see him?
Oh.
How you guys doing?
Doing good. Give me in that joint.
I'll get in there too.
Feel me?